Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure wig. So thank you to alipearl for sponsoring today's video. alipearl was my first hair video that I ever done. Shout out to y'all. Okay, so like I mentioned, it is a 5x5 closure. This is what it looks like. I did bleach the knots and I hot combed the closure to make it extremely flat as possible. The hair texture is straight, but I put a curl to it in the end because I just wanted to give it a little body, and I love this like straight but little texture on the end. I just think that's so cute. And guys, as you've seen, there is a no hairspray, no glue, no gel, no nothing. This is a get up and go type of wig. Woo! My favorite type. So my favorite thing about this is like I'm always busy, so like I go to the gym all the time. So if I like have a date on Saturday night, but I gotta go to the gym Saturday morning so I can be fine on my date, I can do my hair before I go to the gym, leave it on my mannequin head. Cause look, this wig is literally knots on my head, like at all. And look at how laid that is, y'all. Okay, aside from this part right here, don't mind that, but look at the lace. Melted. Melted, baby. It is melted. Let me fix my hair. So yeah, guys, if you want to see how I prepped this wig to get this look and how I installed it, which was super easy. I didn't even use my wig grip this time because this wig is just chef's kiss. So before we start the video, click the links down below to pick up this wig because every girl needs a closure wig. And also, guys, if y'all see, if you follow me on social media, the Chinese bang wig that I have been wearing, that's this wig that I had previously, but I got the bangs cut in it. And I was thinking about doing this one like this, but I don't need two bang wigs right now. So, well, at least not two long ones. This is just so cute. Oh, and this 22-inch is pretty long, as y'all see. I love to let y'all know how the length goes because girls love long hair. But yeah, she's so pretty to me. But okay, guys, I'm talking way too much. Let's just get into the video. Okay, y'all, this is the wig. I already straightened her and hot combed her. Y'all already know how I do. So the lace is still on there and it looks really good. But I'm just gonna take my hot comb and hot comb the lace closure going back. It just makes it way easier to put the wig on. Well, it looks more natural when your hair is going back, okay? Okay, y'all, so I hot combed it going back. So I was thinking about leaving her all the way straight, but then I kind of want to put a curl at the bottom, only at the bottom to give it a little texture. Okay, yeah, so I'm decided to put a curl. I'm going to be using this curling iron. I think it's 2 inches or maybe 1.5 inches. I'm not sure. But let me scoot her back so y'all can see. So y'all, I'm literally gonna be taking big pieces and just curling the very bottom of the wig. Okay, I'm just gonna speed this up because y'all already know how to curl hair. And I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm done curling her. This is what she looks like. This literally didn't even take me 10 minutes. Ooh, she cute. Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut the lace off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the wig. This is what she looks like on the inside. I did bleach the knots. So yeah, we're gonna put her on. I don't think I'm gonna be using hairspray. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see how tight she fit on my head without it. But I'll be right back. Okay guys, she is beautiful. Okay, I didn't have to put any hairspray on her. I just tightened up the wig on the inside. You know how you can do the little tighten at the end, I mean in the back of it. Look at this. She holds a curl very pretty. This is straight hair, but this wig is beautiful, very beautiful. Wow, So she got a little bit of flyaway. So I'm gonna take my hairspray and lightly spray, guys. So you spray a little bit, get a comb, and just softly put it down. And okay. So guys, this is the final product. I love her so much. She's so beautiful. Yeah, so make sure you guys click the links down below. Check her out. This is a 5x5 closure if you missed it in the beginning. Straight hair, of course. And this is a 22-inch if I did not mention it already. Yeah. This is the most easiest wig ever. Oh, she's so pretty. And then look. Cute. Oh, I don't want to mess her up. Hold on, y'all. I got to fix her back because sis. Babe. But okay guys, this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and I will see you guys next time.